Welcome to this video covering problems in geometric optics with step-by-step solutions. We will cover two problems and their detailed solutions. Focus, refraction. Predicting the bending direction. Problem 13 asks if a ray of light bends toward or away from the normal when traveling from air into crown glass. Air has an index of refraction of 1.000 and glass has 1.52. Remember that a higher index means the ray bends toward the normal. Comparing the indices, glass has a higher index than air. The speed of light decreases, and applying Snell's law shows that the angle of refraction is less than the angle of incidence. The final answer is that the light bends toward the normal. Problem 14 involves a scuba diver shining a light from water into the air. Water has an index of 1.333, and air has 1.000. The light is moving from a higher index medium to a lower one, so we expect the ray to bend away from the normal. Since water has a higher index than air, the light is going from a higher to a lower index medium, meaning its speed increases. Applying Snell's law confirms that the light bends away from the normal. This also explains why underwater objects appear closer to the surface.